Hello everyone, so today I got a Rebecca. We are on Sector B, very close to the golf club and to the amenities. Let me take you inside this lovely property and show you around. So this is the property. As you can see, it's got a nice open terrace and part enclosed up there for the winter, which is a great idea. So as we go in, you have this very decorative lighting just there. I think that's really nice. As you go down, you can go down the side of the property either way. You have oil central heating tank just under the staircase there. And just here you have an area where you could put a hot tub. You could get a small hot tub in there easy. You have an underbuild. So let me take you in there. Now, as you can see, the underbuild is quite large and great for storage. You could even build an apartment, dare I say it. So I'm going to take you up the stairs now and we go up onto the terrace. Now, I've just come up onto the terrace. It's nice and open and you have that area at the back. Quarter of it is filled in with the conservatory, so you can sit there in winter and just get the winter sun, have a coffee and just enjoy. You have a little villa there for a little doggy and you have a gate which keeps your pets very safe. I'll just bring you down here to the conservatory. Now this is the conservatory in here. So it's a good size and you've got a radiator in here as well. You've got RefCAB, insect screens and blackout blinds on the windows. You've also got lights over there, over the clock. So it's a nice little area. So let me take you inside the property itself. Got a nice Spanish door here and a lovely brass knocker on here, look at that. So let's go inside. Ooh, look at this. It's nice and modern in here. And it's pristine. Just going down this end, just to pan around for you guys, so you get a feel for the room. Really nice. You have windows on either side of the door, as you do radiators as well. So I'm just taking this at a different angle. As I said, the radiators are just under there. You got ceiling light and fan and you have aircon. What more do you need? When you're in Spain in the winter, you definitely need heating, and in the summer you need the cool air, which the fans supply as well as the aircon, but the aircon doubles up as a heater for winter as well as the central heating. So that's a tip which is good to know. So you have a lovely dining area and kitchen, which we will look at shortly, but I'm going to take you through the archway here. We'll have a look at the 2 bedrooms and the family bathroom. Right, I'm going to take you in through the archway, guys, show you the 2 bedrooms and the family bathroom. So let's go inside, and this is the master bedroom first. You have a large mirror there. Beautifully decorated room, very bright in area. You have got radiators, you got your ceiling light and fan, and just over to the side here you have your aircon, which is great. Now just over here you have your storage, your overhead storage and your double wardrobes. I've left the doors open so you can see that there is drawers and baskets in there, so a bit of everything, so you can get ample clothing in there. Now if I just pan around and come down this end of the room, you can see you've got a television there, got plenty of sockets and switches just behind that little chair there. So good size double bedroom. So let me take you into the family bathroom. So we go over here now. So in here is your shower room. You've got a lovely vanity unit, a WC, and you've got a shower. The shower has a nice clear shower screen on it. You have some towel rails in the shower on the tiles there. It is nice. I think it's titanium shower unit. Really very nice. And just there you have a radiator just under the towel rail. The flooring has also been done in here. So a lot of work has been done in this property. So I'm just going into the guest room now. In the guest room you have a single bed. It will take a double bed in here quite comfortably. Just above you got your air con and you got your ceiling light and fan. The windows have blackout blinds. They all have insect screens as well as security locks on all the doors, all the windows I should say. I'm just going to shut the door behind me. I'm going to pan around. Now you have got your radiator here and your storage there. So taking the room at a different angle, you've got your radiator and your overhead storage with your double wardrobe. And as I've said, all the bedrooms in here have aircon, central heating and ceiling light and fan. And you've got mirrors on the backs of the doors, which is great when you're getting ready for the evening. So let me take you in and around. So let me take you in and around. Now we're back inside the living room, and just here is your dining area. So you've got a nice little wine rack there, you've got your radiator. If you notice, the windows all have insect screens and security locks on them. Very modern, blingy light above, really very nice. And of course the flooring's all done. It's all open plan, you've got plenty of worktop space, bar stools. You have got a gas hob that's integrated, electric oven, your washing machine, your sink and drainer, water filter tap, top and base units, and you've got your fridge freezer. You've got your hood extractor there, but you've also got extra units just here. And they're those units that just apparently just comes out and just flies back in again very nicely. Okay. So I'm going to take you outside now and we're going to have a look at the outside space. So I like the fact that this door has a half window in it. It just lightens the kitchen up, especially when you're cooking in it. So out here it's quite a wide area and you've got plenty of privacy. Just there you have an awning. If you want to see that totally open, you can see it on the photos on the website, info@tolettoseltobuy.com. Just pan around here, you've got your gas heater, your gas boiler there, and your gas bottles. It's really cheap gas over here. It's about between 18 and 20 euros for a gas bottle at the moment. So I'm going to take it upstairs. You are of course only 30 minutes from Cervera Airport, which is literally down the road. You have some stunning views of the golf course and the mountains beyond. You have a lovely rooftop solarium. You could build a bar up here. I've done one in my own house and I love it because we spend a lot of time up here, and we've grassed it over and we've got a hot tub. So there's nice, and we got table and chairs for outside dining. So there's a lot you can do with your rooftop terrace, you know. So I just wanted to give you an eye of the golf course. You could actually see your husband going around on a buggy around the golf course. And of course you can get a lovely Sunday carvery over there as well. And you don't have to be a member. It's not a golf resort, Camposol. It's an urbanisation with a golf course. So you don't pay all those extra fees every month, unless you, of course, you buy a Mansour style property. So beautiful views all around, and of course you're very close to the amenities here. So just for you to know, we are only 20 minutes drive from local beaches, and there's several of them 30 minutes to Cavera Airport, which is Murcia International. And if you want to go to Zara shopping or something like that, about 3/4 of an hour drive from here. So I just come back downstairs. You could imagine that awning just across here, a nice table and chairs, nice and shaded, and have a nice salad and a glass of wine just outside the kitchen here, you know. So, what do you think of this property, guys? It's really lovely. So what do you think of this, guys? Isn't this lovely? And it's in a great location. It is a bit windy here, which is nice and cool sitting on this terrace. So you are very near the golf course and you're on Sector B here, so you're very close to the amenities as well. So you don't need a car if you want to go up and have a drink either at the golf club or on Sector B for the shops, cafes and bars. So if you're interested in this property, do contact info@lettoseltobuy.com. What I'll do is I'll leave the reference number for this property in the title of the video, so that's where you'll need to look for the reference number. Put that in your email when you're inquiring about the property. I will also leave the WhatsApp phone number so everybody in the office picks up WhatsApp, so you can talk back and forward to them as well. Alright, so until the next time, take care. Please share the video on your social media because somebody out there would love it, and please support my channel. So you can do that by either subscribing to the channel or maybe buying me a bottle of water because it is getting hot out here. So until the next time, guys, take care and have an amazing day, and I hope you find your dream home soon. Bye bye.